Now, the good news is that if we identify these signs very early in age, we can actually provide the support to the children. Because learning disabilities are learning difficulties. And these difficulties can definitely be supported towards with the right kind of support. Now, what is going to be this right kind of support that will help the child become a learner to his or her capacity? Because believe me that every child is enough and they can actually do it provided we support them. Our role as motivators and as having complete trust in the child's ability to outshine any challenge that might come their way is very important. Children want to be seen, heard, and appreciated. And that is universal for all children and it's true for them. So if they see that little extra attention or extra sparkle in our eye when they're unable to do something and we look in the eye and we communicate to them, maybe not verbally, that yes, you can do it, they will fight and they will find ways on their own. In fact, I have seen children with learning difficulties uh, learn differently. In their brain, their metacognition allows them to build different kind of neural connections and new pathways to learning. And many of the children who I have been part of their lives, many a times I have learned new ways of learning from them. At home, a supportive environment must help. Being in touch with teachers regularly and taking tips from them about how to mold your teaching style with your own child will also help you. And of course, if you feel that you're finding no solutions to this, then do seek professional help because it's within the child. It's only up to us as adults about how we harness that ability of the child to shine. So wake up, don't lose time, and try to spot any kind of difficulty or disability that might be inherent in your own child. Don't make it a blame game. Don't blame yourself. Don't start blaming each other as a couple. And for really, do not blame the school for any such thing. Face the fact, look in the mirror, and take action. There is hope, and your child will continue to shine. Thank you for watching. If you found any of these tips useful, share it with parents who might find this content useful.